So these bone scrapers are really good to have. They're made out of the shin bone here. And there's actually a little bone on the side that comes up the leg like this. And that's what you make your magoose out of, your awl. But anyway, on this bone here, you make the scraper out of it. But what you're looking for is you want to have a flat edge here and then sharp only on the one side with your little grooves. But if you can't find a shin bone, because sometimes the dogs get at them and that they're hard to find, you could make one out of a copper pipe or of any kind of pipe. And so you cut it at the same angle and just try to make your little grooves in there, sharpen it on the one side, you know, put a stick on there, and it's good to go. And so these are the scrapers that we're using for our moose hide today, and they work great. So we're using a little bit of old technology, and because we can't find another bone, we had to come up with something different that does the same thing. They're both good. And like a copper moose scraper, like how cool is that? Big witch?